All right, the print for the wheel's done. I'm going to see how this came out. All right, so here's the wheels I have on there now. This was a spare, and here's the one I printed. They are a pretty close match. The height's about the same. My bolt actually fits in here, so that's nice. I'm going to get the supports out really quick. All right, supports came out almost in one piece, and the bolt fits perfectly through. It is a little recessed, but I think once I tighten it down, the top here will get crushed a bit, but this is definitely something that will fit pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and print 4 more since my deck needs 5. Now we're going to go ahead and put it on the mower. All right, so I got the wheels on here, and I think that'll do the job. What do you guys think? I'm going to call this a success. So here's one of the old ones that's all pretty chewed up. We're going to see how these hold up, and I think this is a success. What do you guys think?